Today we're talking about the horizontal edge sander. When using this machine, you want to make sure you keep your hand over here on this side of the table so that it stops your wood, because the sander is going this way, so it wants to push this wood this way. Okay, so you have to keep your hand on the side right here so it doesn't fly off.
Just like our other sanders, you want to make sure you keep your fingers at least 1 inch away from the sander. If your fingers are nice and close like this, you're probably going to sand your fingertips off. That'd be bad.
When using the sander, you want to make sure that the abrasive, which is your sandpaper, is 1/8 of an inch away, okay, from the top of the machine, okay, so that the sandpaper doesn't run into the metal.
When you are sanding on this machine, you want to make sure that you hold your piece firmly on the table. You don't want to come up like this, be all crazy and weird and twisty. You want to make sure it's nice and flat on the table.
Once again, like every other tool in the shop, you want to make sure that this tool, when it is running, that it comes to a complete stop before you walk away.
This tool can only be used by one person at a time.
So when using this machine, you want to make sure that at least one surface is flat. You don't want to sand something like this against the fence because it's going to move. You want to make sure it would be flat like that. Okay. Obviously, we'd need to figure out a different way to hold this.
Again, on this machine, you do not want to force anything into the sandpaper. Otherwise it will burn or break the sandpaper. You want to make sure you got it nice and gently and you are doing it nice and evenly.
When sanding on this machine, you want to make sure that you don't sand off more than 1/8 of an inch. So that's really a very, very small amount that you're sanding off on a machine like this.
If in the middle of you sanding something, the belt should rip or tear, you want to turn off the machine and do step back.